Hi everyone, this is attorney David Nguyen and welcome back to Winning Law. Today I want to talk about something that's deeply disturbing and unfortunately it's all real. Let's talk about the identity theft scam that isn't about identity theft at all. You heard that right. Recently, people have been reporting that they're getting calls from someone claiming to be from their local police department, warning them about being a victim of identity theft. The caller gives a badge number, says that they're investigating a crime, and asks the person for personal information such as where they're living and who they're living with. But when the person calls the actual police department to verify, they are being told that the officer doesn't even exist. So what's really going on? This is a current tactic used by ICE. According to the Immigrant Defense Project and their ICE Ruses Advisory, this is a documented strategy used by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, otherwise known as ICE. It's called a ruse, a deceptive tactic where ICE agents pretend to be local police, utility workers, or even Bible study volunteers to trick people into opening their doors or sharing information. ICE agents are trained to use these ruses. It's part of their official handbook. They do it because they rarely have judicial warrants, so they need consent to enter into your home or to gather information. Other common ICE ruses include showing up at your home dressed like a police officer and saying that they're investigating a crime. Claiming someone in your household is a victim of identity theft. Asking you to step outside just to talk and then arresting you. Showing photos of strangers and asking you if you recognize them just to get you to reveal who lives at your residence. These tactics are designed to confuse, intimidate, and bypass your rights. So what can you do to protect yourself? If someone knocks on your door or calls you claiming to be law enforcement, ask for identification and the agency they're working for. Do not open the door unless they show you a judicial warrant, not an ICE administrative form. Do not share your personal information over the phone. You want to say clearly, I do not consent to entry or questioning without my attorney present. Remember to know your rights. You have the right to remain silent, to refuse entry without judicial warrant, to ask for an attorney, to record interactions if you're safely able to do so. And these are my final thoughts. ICE is using deception to arrest people, and it's not just unethical, it's dangerous. If you or someone you know is undocumented, make a plan, talk to an attorney, know your rights, and don't fall for any of these scare tactics. Again, this is attorney David Nguyen. Thanks for watching Winning Law, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.